What happens when artificial intelligence, robotics, and cryptocurrency collide? It's a question that's no longer just science fiction, but a reality unfolding before our eyes. The convergence of these technologies is creating a world where machines don't just follow orders, they make decisions, transact, and even negotiate on their own behalf. Welcome to the dawn of the machine economy, a new era where robots and AI systems are not just tools, but active players in the global financial ecosystem. This is a world where digital intelligence and decentralized finance merge to unlock possibilities we're only beginning to imagine. Imagine autonomous robots managing their own finances, paying for repairs, and earning income, all powered by blockchain. These machines can buy services, pay for upgrades, and even invest, all without human intervention. The implications for efficiency and innovation are staggering. Projects like Protocol, with its RoboCoin token, are making this a reality. By providing the digital infrastructure, they're enabling robots to interact seamlessly with the world of decentralized finance. Think back to the early days of the internet. Once mysterious, now essential. Back then, few could have predicted how deeply it would transform our lives. Today, we're at a similar turning point with AI, robotics, and blockchain. That's where we are with AI, robotics, and blockchain integration. Teams of engineers and visionaries are working together to build the foundations of this new digital economy, experimenting with new models and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. RoboCoin is capturing imaginations as one of the first tokens at this intersection. It's not just a currency, it's a symbol of a future where machines have economic agency. In this new world, robots aren't just tools, they're economic participants, capable of exchanging value, negotiating contracts, and even collaborating with other machines to achieve shared goals. Blockchain provides the secure, automated backbone for these transactions, with RoboCoin as the currency. Every transaction is transparent, traceable, and trustless, removing the need for intermediaries. Protocol is building the rules and infrastructure for this machine-to-machine economy, developing smart contracts and protocols that allow robots to interact, transact, and cooperate autonomously. The excitement isn't just hype. RoboCoin's price surge reflects real market momentum. Investors and technologists alike are watching closely as this new asset class takes shape. Investors see the fusion of AI and crypto as the next big wave of disruption, with the potential to reshape industries from logistics to finance and beyond. As we dive deeper, we'll explore what's driving RoboCoin's rise and what it means for the future of digital markets. The story is just beginning, and the possibilities are limitless. Let's break down the forces shaping this new frontier and discover how the intersection of robotics, AI, and crypto could redefine the very nature of work, value, and collaboration in the years ahead. RoboCoin's explosive price surge didn't go unnoticed. Practically overnight, it became the talk of the trading floor and the focus of countless online discussions. It was a market-wide wake-up call, catching even seasoned investors off guard and sparking a wave of curiosity across the financial world. In crypto, a sharp price jump draws attention, but what really matters is trading volume. Volume tells you if the move is real or just a flash in the pan. RoboCoin's rally was backed by massive trading activity, signaling genuine interest and liquidity. This wasn't just a handful of traders making noise, thousands were getting involved. High volume means it's easy to buy or sell, like trading a popular smartphone, not a rare collectible. It's a sign that RoboCoin is becoming a staple in portfolios, not just a speculative bet. This liquidity marks RoboCoin's transition from a niche token to a maturing asset. It's now being compared to established names, and that's a big leap. The combination of price and volume created a feedback loop. More buzz, more buyers, more momentum. Social media and chat groups amplified the excitement, drawing in even more participants. It wasn't just a blip. This was a broad, sustained surge. The rally held strong over several sessions, convincing skeptics that something bigger was happening. The market recognized RoboCoin as a serious contender in the AI crypto space. Headlines and analysts started calling it a leader, not just a follower. Strong participation and capital flow set it apart from fleeting pumps. Investors saw real conviction behind the move, not just hype. Now, everyone's asking, what's fueling this trend, and can it last? The debate is heating up in boardrooms and on news panels alike. Understanding these signals helps separate hype from sustainable growth. Analysts are digging into the data, searching for clues about RoboCoin's staying power. RoboCoin's rise is more than speculation. It's a sign of shifting market dynamics. The crypto landscape is evolving, and RoboCoin is at the center of this change. Let's see what's driving this newfound attention, and whether RoboCoin can truly live up to the hype. RoboCoin's momentum accelerated with listings on major crypto exchanges. Each new exchange is like putting a product in more stores. Visibility and access explode. More listings mean more traders, higher liquidity, and round-the-clock global trading. This decentralization strengthens price discovery and market resilience. Exchange listings also trigger volatile price discovery phases. Early investors may cash out, causing swings. But sustained volume and stability after the initial excitement are key. For RoboCoin, these listings signal credibility and open the door to a global investor base. The token is evolving from a niche asset to a worldwide contender. Watch how RoboCoin performs as it becomes more accessible. This is where long-term growth begins. Behind RoboCoin's buzz is Fabric Protocol, the real technological engine. Fabric Protocol is building a blockchain for autonomous devices to transact securely and efficiently. Imagine a network where drones pay for charging or robots order parts, no humans needed. Smart contracts automate these transactions with RoboCoin as the native currency. Every interaction is transparent and secure on the blockchain. RoboCoin's value is tied to real utility. The more machines use Fabric Protocol, the greater the demand. This isn't just another crypto, it's a foundation for the machine economy. Fabric Protocol unites AI, robotics, and blockchain, enabling a new era of automation and economic exchange. That's why the market is paying attention. In the world of crypto, narrative is everything. And right now, artificial intelligence is the hottest story capturing everyone's imagination. The buzz is impossible to ignore. The explosion of AI tools and platforms has made artificial intelligence the center of both tech innovation and cultural conversations. From chatbots to generative art, AI is everywhere, and its influence is only growing. Crypto markets move in waves, and right now, the spotlight has shifted to AI-powered projects. Investors and enthusiasts are watching closely as new opportunities emerge at the intersection of these two revolutionary technologies. Investors are hunting for tokens that merge AI and blockchain, betting on the next big thing. The promise of smarter, more autonomous systems is fueling a surge of excitement and speculation. RoboCoin, through its innovative Fabric Protocol, is perfectly positioned to ride this narrative wave. By combining cutting-edge AI with decentralized finance, RoboCoin stands out in a crowded market. The story is simple and compelling. Imagine intelligent, autonomous systems managing their own digital economies, making decisions in real time and adapting to changing markets without human intervention. RoboCoin's surge isn't just about technology, it's about embodying the future of AI and crypto and capturing the imagination of a new generation of investors and builders. A strong narrative attracts attention, investment, and community. It creates momentum that can turn a project into a movement, drawing in people from all backgrounds. RoboCoin's rise shows how narrative and technology can amplify each other, creating a feedback loop of innovation and excitement that pushes the entire industry forward. The AI narrative is the megaphone turning RoboCoin into a headline asset, one that's not just riding the wave, but helping to define the future of crypto itself. After a big rally, price corrections are normal and healthy. Corrections let early investors take profits and help the market find a stable base. Don't panic at a 20–30% drop. Seasoned traders see it as a sign of maturity, not failure. The key is to watch fundamentals. Is trading volume strong? Is the community active? Is development ongoing? If the core reasons for excitement remain, corrections are just part of the growth cycle. True strength is measured by resilience and consolidation, not endless upward spikes. RoboCoin's response to its first correction will reveal its long-term potential. With the initial surge behind us, RoboCoin's future depends on execution. Watch for Fabric Protocol's development milestones, partnerships, and real-world use cases. Community growth and engagement are crucial. Active, thoughtful discussion signals long-term health. Monitor whether the conversation shifts from hype to real technology and adoption. The AI narrative is a tailwind, but lasting success means becoming valuable beyond the hype cycle. The goal: transition from trend-driven token to blue-chip technology. RoboCoin's journey is just beginning. Its success will hinge on adoption, execution, and community. Fabric Protocol's vision for a machine economy is one of crypto's most compelling stories. We'll keep tracking key signals, tech progress, community strength, and lasting identity. The intersection of AI, robotics, and crypto is wide open, and RoboCoin is leading the charge.